Welcome to Electronics for You. In this video, I will explain program for division of two 8-bit numbers in ALP for 8051 microcontroller. So let us understand first the instruction division. Now, in case of 8051, the only instruction which is available for division operation is div AB, and it divides the content of A by the content of register B. Now, simply means it is A upon B, the content of A divided by content of B. It means that the number to be divided, that is dividend, must be stored into accumulator, and the number which will divide the content of A, that is divisor, must be stored into register B. After that, after execution of this instruction, two results will be generated, that is nothing but quotient and remainder, and automatically accumulator stores the quotient, whereas B register stores remainder. And further, we can say that if remainder equal to 0, that is the content of B equal to 0, in that case overflow flag will be set, otherwise it is cleared. And in case of division instruction, carry flag is always cleared. Okay, so remember, dividend must be stored in A, divisor should be in B, where after execution the result will be in quotient, accumulator, the quotient. After execution, accumulator stores quotient and B register stores the remainder. Now see the program. Write an ALP for 8051 microcontroller to divide two numbers. Assume dividend is stored in internal memory location 40H. So we are having dividend here at memory location 40H, and we are having a divisor in memory location 41H, and we have to perform the division operation here, and we are having instruction div AB. Okay, and after this, store the quotient. We will have two different results. One is quotient and another one is remainder. The quotient should be stored to memory location 42H here as per the program, and remainder should be stored to 43H. Okay, now therefore the steps will be like this. First, we will move the content of 40H into accumulator, because the dividend must be stored to A and divisor should be stored to B. Okay, and after div AB, it will be automatically A divided by B. So our first step is this one. Second step is to move the content of 41H into B. Then third step is to use divide operation. Fourth step will be automatically our result is stored, that is quotient is stored into accumulator, and this should be moved to 42H, that is our step number 4. And last step, that is fifth number step, is to move remainder to 43H. So we will perform all these steps. Now let us write the program. Here first we have to copy the content of 41H into A. Therefore I will use move instruction. Now note that here we should write A, because A is our destination, and the content of 40H, that is direct memory location, should be moved to accumulator. It means that 40H content will be copied into accumulator and the content of 40H will remain as it is. Our second instruction will be again move. Now also note, okay, we are moving the content of 41H into B register, but we don't have instruction like move B comma 41H, but we should use the address of a register B. The address of register B is F0H, and whenever we are using any character here, we should use the 0 first, and therefore here I will use a direct addressing mode, that is 0F0H. It simply indicates the B register, and we are moving the content of 41H into this location. So the content of 41 internal memory location will be copied to register B after this instruction. Next instruction is to use divide operation, that is the div AB. After that, automatically the result will be copied to, okay, it simply means that A by B, and automatically accumulator will have quotient. Okay, and we have to store this quotient into memory location 42H, and therefore again here we should use move operation, but now our source is accumulator and 42H is the destination. So 42H should be written first on the left hand side, and accumulator should be written here. Then again we should use move instruction, and here 43H, that is the remainder, should be stored from B register, and for B register again we should use 0F0H here, and the end of the program is loop AJMP or SJMP. Okay, I am using AJMP here. You can use short jump also. Loop, that is to jump here itself. That is the end of program. Here you can write the comment A is copied to 42H and B is copied to 43H. In this way, the logic of a division program works. And friends, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for notification. And like, comment and share. Thank you.